Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So today I'm gonna be showing you my unboxing of my recent purchase here in Paris. So I decided to buy this bag because on December we will go to Philippines for our vacation, and in Philippines usually it's always raining, so I need a bag that I can always carry, like whatever happens, rain or shine, I can use it. So I bought this bag. It's not that big, the size is okay, and now I'm gonna be showing you what I bought. And by the way, I bought it here in Paris in the main Louis Vuitton shop in the Champs-Élysées. I'm sorry for the if I couldn't pronounce it properly. So this is it. This is this PD Damier bin in size 25. I have the size 30 in monogram, but this one I think it's just enough for I can use it, I mean, for every day. So there's the strap inside. Then there's an inside pocket. Guess this is the padlock. Okay. Stickers and a card. It's so gorgeous. Such a lovely bag. I was choosing between the size 30 and this size. But as you can see, I chose this size. Because for me, 30 is quite big, and I already have that size. In the monogram pattern. So let's see the padlock. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and there are 2 keys. Before I had this bag, I mean, this is the third bag that they gave me, because the first bag that they gave me, I told the SA that if she can give me a new one from the stock, and she said yes. So when I checked the bag, There are some scratches on this side here, but this one doesn't have. So this is the third bag that she gave us. She gave me, yeah. And on the other side. And the strap was really bad, the first bag that she gave me, because the stitches are not good, and the leather, I don't know what happened with the leather. There are some, like, the leather was like crumpled. So I told the SA to change it for me. Then she went and changed the bag for me. But then the second bag that they gave me, good thing that I checked it before I went out from the shop. The second bag that they gave me, like this gold Louis Vuitton here, it shows rusty. I don't know. There are some scratches. So I went to the manager, and he apologized and said that he will check if there is still available stock. So yeah, they gave me this new one. So before I took it and bring it home, I checked it again and again to make sure that everything is fine, because yeah, this is not a cheap bag, and it's not that expensive like the other bags, but it's still not a cheap bag, you know. So next time, guys, just take care when you purchase something like luxury items. Make sure to double check every details on the bag. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.